of the saddest things that I've seen in my practice is when a person's children pass away before they do. I don't think anything is more sad than having to bury your children. And for a lot of people, their estate plan is about leaving their assets to their children. So what happens when your beneficiaries pass away before you do? Who inherits your assets? My name is Megone Trewick, and I am the Estate Planning, Probate, and Guardianship Director here with the Law Office of Bryan, Fagan. And I want to talk about this topic because for a lot of people, yes, if that happens to you, you may have to come back to an attorney so that your documents can be redrafted. But I want to talk about this too because you may really want to come back if within those documents you had disinherited someone. Or maybe you had your documents, you disinherited that person and now your documents said per Stirpes. Or you disinherited them and you do not have an alternate beneficiary. Let's first talk about the per Stirpes determination when you disinherited a child. Maybe the child was wayward, maybe you didn't agree with their lives, maybe they became a criminal and so forth. And so you're like, I don't want to leave anything to that child. I'm disinheriting that child. And then your document says, I give the balance of my estate to my remaining children in Stirpes. Guess what you just did? You're giving the property also to that disinherited child's children if they have it, because the per Stirpes language picks up your grandchildren. Do you in fact want to give to your grandchildren? Maybe you do. Maybe you do not. What if all your children are deceased and all you said was, I give my property to my children, but it doesn't provide for that property to pass to your grandchildren if something happens to them? Then Texas Estates Code would step in. Are you okay with Texas Estates Code determining who gets your property? What if your children have no children, so you have no grandchildren? Are you okay with Texas Estates Code then saying, okay, then that property will go to your mom and dad? Are you okay with your mom and dad inheriting from you? Is your relationship with your mom and dad that kind of relationship where you want them to inherit the property that you would have wanted your children to inherit? Are you okay with your sisters and brothers inheriting that property? The trouble with having your beneficiaries passing before you and then you not providing within the documents what happens to the property becomes really difficult. And so if that ever happens to you, you definitely want to talk to an attorney. If you want to talk to an attorney about your documents, maybe you're now worried that your documents doesn't speak to that, or maybe you're worried that your heirs have passed, your beneficiaries have passed, and you want to make sure that your documents are pointing to who you want to take. Please reach out to us here at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. We would love to talk to you. And, we understand that while we can't really truly feel your loss, we can help you walk through this portion of your life. Thank you for watching.
Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.